So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we will be solving one more question based on list, and that is to write a Python function that is to calculate the sum of all elements in a list of numbers. So today we are on day 2 of building the problem solving skills. If you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist we have been building problem solving skills. We started with strings, then we moved on to integer data types. We also covered booleans, and right now we are covering list. Now we started from a very basic question, very easy question you can say, and then we have been increasing the bar like anything. Now on day 2 we are covering, this is day 2 of list. We are solving list question right now, and this is the question number 2 we will be solving today. And just before starting to solve this question guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So what we have to do in this question, we have to write a Python function to calculate the sum of all elements in a list of numbers. So let's suppose we have an input as 2 5 7 8, so we will be just adding all of these numbers and return the output. All right, so we will be given list of numbers and we will be adding all the elements, all the numbers from that list, and return the sum of the whatever the list whatever the elements are present in the inside the list. Now to write a function, we will be writing def, and then what we'll be writing def, and the name of the function will be sum of nums, and I'll be taking nums as a parameter here. This will be my argument here, and this is a list here. All right, now I will be passing this value for a while, and then I'll be printing something. Now printing what? Printing function sum of nums, and I will be taking parameter as 2 5 7 and 10, so that we should know that whether we are doing it correctly or not. So it will be giving output as 24 as written it here. All right, now we can I have written, I have taken these 4 values, they are just random values, you can take another values. I have taken this value so that I can compare it with my input values as I have taken as in my example. Now what I can do here is I will writing the logic. So I'll be creating a variable here first of all, and I'll be taking telling you 2 ways to do this. First way is a very simple way, which is you can just use the a Python built-in function, that is sum, and and if you return the nums here, if we write sum nums like this is a built-in function which will giving you the sum of all the elements, and you can just run this code and see that you will be getting the answer. But this is a this is not the playlist to just play around with the functions, but of course we will be playing around the function. But what the exactly I have created this playlist is for creating the problem solving skill. It is to build the problem solving skills. So of course we will be not doing this way, we will be just applying the way which will be really enhancing our problem solving skills. So I will be creating a variable here. Let's say I will have a variable s equals to sum, and initially the sum is equals to is 0. So it is my initial sum, and this is of course started from 0. All right, now I will be iterating through the numbers. So iterating through the numbers list, I have to create a loop. So I will be saying that for num in nums, print nums, print num. All right, so if I will be printing num, so I will be getting 2 5 7 and 10. Now you can see that on each iteration I will be getting numbers printed. On first iteration I am getting 2, and second iteration I am getting 5, and third iteration I am getting 10, and fourth iteration I am getting in third iteration I am getting 7, and on fourth iteration I am getting 10. So what I can see here is that on each iteration I can just increase my sum value on each iteration by adding this number to my sum. So if I say sum is equals to sum plus num, and what it will be doing, it will be just adding on each iteration, the sum will be added to my num. So it is double m, not single m. So su double m is equals to su double m plus num. So on each iteration some value will be added until it exits the loop. All right, now in the first iteration, what will be done, it will be let me just write it down in the comment section, that su double m is equals to 0 plus 2 in the first iteration. In the second iteration, let me just write it here, that first iteration here, first iteration. Now in the second iteration, second iteration, it will be coming again, and the second iteration, now sum is equals to 2, so it will be 2 plus 5, and it will be 2 plus 5. Then in the third iteration, what it will be, third iteration, it will be 5 plus 7, and at the end it will be 2 plus 5, so it will be 7 plus 7. All right, so it was 0 plus 2, then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 will be equal to 7 plus 7 will be 14. Then it will be in fourth iteration, and its sum will be equal to what, 14 plus 10, and it will be equal to 24. So it will be exiting the loop. Now it will be 7 and it will be 2. Now there will be only 4 iteration because the length is 4, so there will be only 4 number of iteration, and after these 4 number of iteration, it will be exiting the loop. Now after I exit the loop, I have to return this sum, so I will be returning this sum. So return sum su double m. Now this is what we have to do in the question. If I run this code, I'll be getting my answer. As you can see, sum is equals to 24, and you can check it with some other values. Let's say I have taken I take 10 plus 3 2, and this will be giving me 15. This should be giving me 15, and let's just run this code and show you that I am getting 15. So this is what we have to do in the question, guys. If this question really helps you build your logic, and if you think that this playlist is really helping you guys to build your problem solving skills, please do share it with your friends as well, so that they can also get benefit from this playlist. Now thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.